Good morning, everyone. Today we have fifth lesson, Maharana Pratap. Okay, Maharana Pratapah. This is the lesson of second PUC in the Sanskrit. Itihas Granthebhya Sangrihita. This lesson has taken from our history books, compiled, extracted from history books. Pithika. First of all, we have to see the what is the preface of this lesson. Okay, this is the lesson regarding related to the Maharana Pratap. भारतीय इतिहासे केचन तपसा ज्ञानेन ग्रथनेन प्रसिद्धिम आपन्ना. This is the preface. Means in our history, many people have also got their name, their fame, popularity due to their tapasya, due to their knowledge, due to their other very extinguished works, means very nice works, extraordinary. People have also noted, people noted in the history. Okay, in the red letters they have made their name in the history. Ete rishya muniyah darshanikah kavayah iti bahumanyante. Means the popular personalities who becomes like rishi, maharshi, munayah, darshanika, philosophers, kavayah, authors. Okay, these all have also got very much popularity in our history. अन्ये केचन शौर्येण त्यागेन देश प्रेम्णा वा आचंद्रार्कं कीर्तिम आर्जयन्. In other category also there were a lot of warriors also who have given their sacrifice for their country, for their, so due to their bravery, due to their sacrifice, and due to their love with country, their popularity is also continue, and it will continued until the sun and moon will light. The sun and moon will be they will give their lights on this earth. Brahma tejasa kechana bhumim imam bhushayamasu. Means some Brahmins also, they have very Brahma varchasvi, Brahma tej. Okay, their light, their knowledge of light also, because of their enlightenment, because of their knowledge, they also got popularity on this earth. अपरे वीरा क्षत्रेण ओजसा भारत भूमे धर्मम संस्कृतिम जनताश्च संरक्षुः. Means other warriors were also in our history who gave their life also for saving our nation. Okay, they were kshatriya. Kshatriya means kshatriya who saves others, who save people, their nation. Okay, that's called kshatriya. क्षतात किलत्रायत इत्युदग्र क्षत्रेद शब्दो भुवनेषु रूढ़. छत होने से जो बचाए, who saves from destroy, who saves from wound. Okay, जो injury, who saves from injury, that's called क्षत्रिय. तो क्षत्रेण ओजसा means क्षत्रिय also saved our religion, our culture, our country, etc. Means Brahmins also with their knowledge, with their enlightenment, their jnana, they served our country. Kshatriya also with their valor, with their potent, okay, with their strength, they also served. Tadrisheshu anyatamah Rana Pratap Singha. Means in those patriots, in those warriors, Maharana Pratap was one of them. Now the preface has finished. This lesson is regarding to Maharana Pratap. Now we will go on main lesson. भारतस्य पश्चिमस्यां दिशि सहस्राधिकवर्षेभ्यः आक्रमणं भवति अस्म. Means in this country Bharata, in the west part of the Bharata, there were a lot of attacks also occurred, okay, by the invaders, okay, since thousands of years. इवं देशं बहुसंपदा भरितम् इति मन्वानाः वैदेशिकाः तां संपदम् आत्मसात् कर्तुम् आगच्छन्ति स्म. Many invaders were also thinking that Bharat has a lot of wealth, and this was true also. So for looting, for plundering all these wealths, golds, silvers, diamonds, etc., other gems also, they always used to attack on this country. Tad viruddham Rajasthan Pradeshe राजपुत्र आक्रमणशीलानां प्रतिरोधाय महांतम प्रयत्नं चक्रुः. तद विरुद्धम, against of that attacks in the region of Rajasthan, many Rajputra also they also did their opposition. They also in the opposition they fought in the battlefield. Okay, and akramanashilanam means who were always involved for attacking in our country, they opposed for them, for that invaders. एतेषां राजपुत्राणां शौर्यगाथा महिलानां त्यागनिष्ठा च अद्यापि यूनः स्वदेशकार्ये प्रेरयति. Means those Kshatriya who gave their life, who sacrificed their life, the story of their bravery and the Tyaganistha, the sacrifice of those women who gave their life also after burning the fire. Okay, they, all the ladies also burned themselves only in the fire also. Why? Because for sacrifice. Okay, when all those ladies saw that their husbands have also they are fighting and they are also losing their life, then they also wish that no any other people can touch them, so they themselves also lost. Okay, burned in the fire. Jauhar, that's called a ritual called Jauhar. Mahilanam Tyaganishta Adyapi Yuna Swadesh Karya Prerti. Only that inspiration of the Kshatriya and Kshatrani that also inspires our generations. Okay, and they also devotes for our country. They also regard our country and our traditions. Mewad iti sthalam Rajasthane atyantam prasiddhamasit. There is a place, you know also, Mewad. This is the place situated in Rajasthan. That's very famous. Tat sthalam tatra utpannanam shura rajanam shaurena atmahutya cha mahatim prasiddhim avapa. Means the king of the Mewad were very brave, and because of their bravery they got very much popularity also, fame also. Atratya Sisidiya Vanshe Bappa Ravala Rana Hamira Rana Shanga Prabhritya Shura Janvalevire. On in this dynasty only, in the Sisidiya Vansh, in the Sisidiya dynasty, there was also a person named Bappa Raval. There was also a person named Rana Hamir, Rana Sanga. These all were very much brave kings. Okay, and they protected this country with their heart, with their life also. एतस्मिन् एव पुण्यवंशे राणा प्रतापसिंहः चत्वारिंशत् उत्तरपञ्चदशशततमे वर्षे मे मासे नवमे दिनाङ्के कुम्बलग्रामे एकः द्वितीयसूर्य इव उदितः. In this dynasty only, in this Punyavans, means very nice dynasty, the Maharana Pratap also on 9 May 1540, okay, in the 16th century, means in the 1540, 9th May, he also got born, okay, in the village named Kumbal, okay, like the other son, means like son, okay, means other son, means Dutiya Surya Iva, means when he got born, people were looking him like son, okay, because of his stage. Asya Mata Javantabai Chauhan Pita cha Dvitiya Uday Singha, means his mother's name was Javantabai and his father's name was Uday Singh II. Okay. तस्मिन् समय बहवो राजानां मुघल चक्रवर्तिभिः सह आयुध्य पराजयम् अनुभूय तानेव दिल्लीश्वरान् भावयन्ति स्म. On those era, on those time, many persons were also considering Mughal emperors as Chakravarti Raja, Chakravarti king. Okay, and when they also defeated by Mughals, then they also defeated by Mughals, and they also considered him Chakravarti. Okay, Dillishwaram, the king of Delhi. Okay, they considered him. Kechan tesham eva sevaya atmana dhyanyan menire. And some people, some kings were also of them, where they were considering that if I am the servant, if I am in the control of Mughal, I am very thankful. Okay, this type of people also existing on Dojira even today also. So tasmin kale Akbar Mahashaya Dehalyam Shasanam Karoti Asma. On those time, the Akbar was also ruling over the Delhi. स अन्य राजेषु विद्यमानं परस्पर कलहम एव उपयुज्य आत्मना शक्तिम अवर्धयत. He also, by his conspiracy, he did some plannings, like he always make them revolts between two kings. Okay, and फुट डालो राज करो. Okay, means he always used to create discords between the kings, and he used to make rule over them. तेन वशीकृता केचन राजानः तस्य सेवायां निरता आसन्. And many kings were also serving him like servant. Okay, देशरक्षणार्थं सर्वदा बद्धपरिकरेषु राजपुत्रेषु एव स्वकर्तव्य विरतेषु का कथा अन्येषां राज्ञां. Means even the Rajputs were also of them. They were like servants. They were serving to Akbar. No all Rajputs, but some were also there, because many are the examples. Okay, you can see. But like the Maharana Pratap, like Hamir, and many persons were also there who were bravely, they fought with Mughals, and they never bent down in front of them. Okay, because of them only we are so proud of them, proud of our hoary past, our hoary traditions. Katha Anyasham Rajyam. Sarvatha Bharat Bhumi Vedeshika Patakramta Dasa Doshita Cha Asit. Means all this India, all this, not India, Bharat. All this Bharat Bhumi was overcome by Vaideshik, means foreigners, means Mughals. Dasa Doshitacha, this Bharat was under the foreigners. Okay. इत्थम अंधकारे सर्वत्र व्याप्ते राणा प्रतापः दीपशिखेव आत्मगौरवस्य मूर्तिरिव तस्मिन् कालखण्डे भ्राजते स्म. Means on those era, on those darkness, only the Maharana Pratap was like Deepashikha, means like the lamp. In the whole darkness, only he was the lamp. Okay, because he was the embodiment of glory. He was so glorious king. He was existing on Dojira. यद्यपि प्रतापस्य पिता उदय सिंह प्रतापी राजा आसीत्, किंतु प्रतिकूलत्वात् चित्तौड़ मेवाड़ादि स्थानानि अन्यवशान्यभूवत्. Means although the father of the Maharana Pratap was also brave, but because of misfortune he also lost his kingdoms like Chittaur, Mewar ityadi, etc. All he lost. Pituranantaram Singhasanam Adhiruda Maharana Pratapah हस्तच्युतानां प्रमुखानां एतेषां स्थानानां स्वायत्तीकरणाय चिन्तयितुम् आरेभे. When he was also enthroned after his father, he also took a determination. He also took a place that I will also take my all regions, all my kingdom. Okay, whatever my father has lost. Okay. Prathamam Rana Pratapa Ganyanam Sabham Akaritvan. Firstly, Maharana Pratap also called a assembly, okay, of intellectual person. Yavat Paryantam Parvasham Rajyam Swavasham Nadigachati Tavat Paryantam Swarna Rajatadi Patreshu Bhojanam Na Karishyami Mridu Shane Navashaishe Rajaprasade Navasyami Iti Desham Purata Pratigyam Swikritvan. In front of all the courtiers, in front of all the intellectual person, he also took a sphere, he took a pledge that until I will not take all my lost kingdoms, till I will not take Swarna Rajat Patradeshu, means I will not take my food, meal or anything in the golden or silver dishes. Okay, I will leave all these things. I will not sleep on the mattress and very cozy and luxurious bed. I will not live in palace also until I will not take all my kingdom. Tadanim Haldi Ghat Pradeshe Vairibhi Saghoram Yuddham Sambhavua. Then in the valley of Haldi Ghati, he also fought very bravely, okay, in the battlefield. And although the Bairinam Sanyam Samudropamam Asit, means the his foe, his enemy was very much like ocean. His soldiers were very much, means the Akbar, because he was the Chakravarti, he was very powerful on that time. Rana Pratapa Ranarange Ghoram Ayudhyat. In the battlefield, Maharana Pratap also fought very much, very bravely. Kintu Purna Jem Praptum Na Shashaka. But he didn't find very much success. Okay, very much victory. Swasya Aptas Ashwasya Chetakakyasya Sahayam Sa Sarvada Praptavan. But he always got the help of his own horse named Chetak. Sahayam Sa Sarvada Praptavan. Tena Sa Apadat Atmanam Rakshitum Shakta Asit. अरण्य गुहा प्रदेशेषु उषित्वा स्वसंकल्प सिद्धे सैन्य संग्रहणम उपाक्रमात्. Only by the help of the Chetak, he also flew away. He also run away from the battlefield. Not he ran away, actually the horse also ran away, and he saved his own master. And when he also reached in the Aranya Kshetra, in the forest, then he also got time for reunite his own soldiers for fighting strategically with Mughal Empire, Akbar. यदा राणा प्रताप अरण्ये वसति स्म तदा तस्य परिवारः महत् कष्टं सम्भवुः. When Maharana Pratap was also spending his poorish time, rainy days in the forest, his whole family was also feeling very much pain. Okay, they were very painful. They were also spending very much pitiable condition. Ekatra sarvada vairyakraman shanka, means in the one side where the doubt of attacking two enemies, in another side they had no eating things also for they had no much things for eating and existing also in the forest. Anyatra aharanam ahara bhavat putra kalatranam kashta parampara cha ativa vedanakari bhavat, means Maharana Pratap's son and daughter were also suffering with hunger. एकस्मिन् दिने महाराणा प्रतापस्य पत्नी अरण्य तृणबीजचूर्णेन रोटिका सञ्जीकृत्य सर्वेभ्यः किञ्चित् भागं दत्तवती. One day, the wife of Maharana Pratap, she cooked bread with the seed of forests. Okay, she also collected some seeds and grinded that with the stones, and then she cooked that roti bread. Okay, rotika sanjikrita sarvebhya kinchit, and she also served everyone. Swaputrai api rotikam dattva tasya ardham eva khaditva avasishtam ardham paridya bhakshanartham rakshiti suchitati. And when she gave to her daughter some bread, then she told that half you have to eat and half you have to save for tomorrow also. स्वप्रिय दुहितु परिद्यु आहार लप्सते वानवा इति संख्या प्रेममयी माता तथा वोचत. She told that, why she told that you have to save half part of bread. Why? Because she was also suspected that tomorrow I don't know that whether we will find bread or not. Okay. एतादृशं दारुणं कारुण्यपूर्णञ्च जीवनं व्यतीताय सर्वो अपि परिवारः, means this type of pitiable situation they also tolerated. Okay, karunyapurnam jivanam, means that's very pitiable, that's very emotion producing, means emotional life. Okay, when we also read these things, we also feel very emotional. So bahubhya dinebhya paryapta ahara bhava chodhita balika tadanimev rotikam khatum arebhe. When that girl also didn't find other bread, then she, whatever she had kept in the past, she also started to eating that bread. But कश्चन अकस्मात् तावती काले कुतश्चित् अकस्मात् आगतः कश्चन अरण्यमार्जारः बालिकायाः हस्तात् रोटिकाम् आकृष्य कुत्रचित् ददावत्. But unfortunately, a Aranyamārjarika, means the forest cat, also came on that time only, and she also snatched that bread with her hand, and she also started to eat, and she also ran away. Okay, then the balika mahata dukkhena akranditum upachakrame, means with very much grief the girl also started to cry. एतत् करुणापूर्ण दृश्यम अवलोक्य कठोर हृदय से राणा प्रतापस्यापि मनः अद्रवत्। महाराणा प्रताप was having very hard heart, very solid heart, but after seeing this cruel scene, this pitiable scene, he also melted, his heart also melted on that moment. किंतु स्वीकृतां प्रतिज्ञाम् अस्मरन् नानाविध कष्टम् अनुभवन् अपि दृढमनस्को भूत्वा पुनः सैन्यशक्तिं वर्धयितुं कामः राणा प्रतापः सिन्धुनदी प्रदेशं जगाम। But only due to his own pledge, after tolerating a lot of pain, a lot of grief, he was very hard-hearted person. Okay, like Iron Man. Okay, he consolidated his armies. Okay, and for consolidating more and more army, he also went to the bank of the Sindhu Nadi. Okay, Maharana Pratap went there. तत्र कार्यनिष्ठान वीर राजपुत्रान एकीकृत्य स्वसंकल्प सिद्धे प्राय तथा he also consolidated that place very much brave Rajputra soldiers. Okay, and he also started for completing his revenge with Maharana Akbar. Maharana also started for taking the revenge. He also started campaign. तत्र आरण्यके बिल्लै न केवलं रजपूत महिलानां बालानां च रक्षणं संकष्टसमये कृतम् अपि च तान् खनिकूपेषु संरक्षितम्. Means their person Aranyake Bill means the forest person Bill, they also conserved all the women and child, conserved on that pitiable condition, on that kashta samay means painful time, and they also conserved them. Haldi Ghati Samrangade Bill Yuddha Veera na kevalam yuddhena upakritavantah. In the battlefield of Haldi Ghati, the Bill warriors also helped to Maharana Pratap, okay, in the war field. And kintu gudhachar krityam nirvartya apara rahasam vighatiyamasu, and they also espied for Mughals at where the loopholes of Mughal soldiers, and they always used to give the message to Maharana Pratap. Okay, तदैव एकस्मिन् दिवसे राजस्थान सीमाम् अतीत्य यदा महाराणा प्रतापः गच्छन् आसीत् तदा एकः वृद्धः आजगाम. तदैव एकस्मिन् दिने मीन्स देन वन डे राजस्थान सीमाम् अतीत्य यदा महाराणा प्रतापः गच्छन् आसीत्, when the Maharana Pratap was also going after the crossing the territory of the Rajasthan, okay, tada ekah vriddha ajagama, then one old person also came there. सैन्य संग्रहणम तत् प्रशिक्षणं च बहुवित्त व्यय साध्यम कार्यम. Actually, the सैन्य संग्रहण in the consolidation of the force, consolidation of soldiers, and in the process of the training, the procedure of the training was also very that was also having very much expenditure. Okay, bahuvitta vyaya sadhyam means very much money and although wealth it was also requiring. Mahata daridrena paritapyamanasya pratapasya idameva chinta karanam asit. Actually, Maharana Pratap had a lack of money because he was also exiled by his own kingdom. Okay, so he was very concerned about that topic. He was very concerned for how he will consolidate, how he will give money for force. Okay, he had no money. So, kathanchit swasankalpa siddhaye sah kutra vigantum siddha san Rajasthan simam atitya jigamishu rasit. So, only for getting very much money or wealth, he was thinking for going outside of Rajasthan. Okay. एनम उदंतम श्रुत्वा भामाशाह नामा स वृद्धः किम अपि महत् कार्यं कर्तुं कालः समायातः इति भावितवान्. After listening this perception, after listening this thought of Maharana Pratap, there was a old person, that old person only named Bhama Shah. He thought that I will do something for my own king. Okay, this is the time for doing something for my king. Sa Rana Pratapasya Purvajanam Asthane Amatyah Asit. He was the minister, he was in the cabinet of the ancestor of Maharana Pratap, because on that time the emperors were by the successor. Okay, so Maharana Pratap was also the successor of his own father. So like that, the Purvaj, the ancestor of the Maharana Pratap, on that time he was the minister in his court. Sa bahudhanam api arjitavan. So because he was also minister, so he also earned very much money, very much dhana. Sa pratapam pratip uvacha. So he told to Maharana Pratap, Prabho, aham bhavad vansasya sevaka. I'm hey, oh my lord, oh my majesty, oh Maharana Pratap, I am the servant, I am the attendant of your family. Family means your dynasty. Okay, you are the Raja, I am the Mantri, so you are my lord. So, Bhavadvansasya sevaka, mama haste prabhutam dhanam vidyate. In my hand, in my authority, I have a lot of wealth also. Okay, I have Tena Bhavan, means by that wealth, Panchavinsati Sahasra Sainikan Dwadash Varsha Paryantam Palayitum Prabhavishyati. Means up to 12 years you can serve 25,000 soldiers. You can give them salary also. You can also you can take help with them. Okay. Tada Pratapa Provacha. Then Maharana Pratapa is also very true person. He was very unique person. Maharana Pratap was very kind. He told that Naitad dhanam swikartum ahamichhami. I don't want to take your money because you are individual person. Why you will give for myself? Kutrapi gatva dhanam sangrahishyami iti. Means I am going to another place, I will take by other method. Why you will take? I will take for you. With you. Tada Bhama Shah Pravochak. Then Bhama Shah told that Naitad dhanam parakiyam. It's not other, it's not mine also. देश रक्षणार्थम मया अर्जितमिदं धनम यदि सहायकम होति तर्हि मम जीवनं सार्थकं भवेत् इति. Means if this all money whatever I have earned with your kingship, with your ancestors, then it's all of this country only. These all wealths are of this country. So I am not doing anything. This, if my wealth will also consume with my countrymen for protecting my country, then it will be very good for me. Okay, then my life will also be successful. वृद्धस्य भामाशाहस्य वचनं श्रुत्वा आनंदेन महाराणा प्रतापस्य मनः कृतज्ञतापूर्णं बभूव. After listening the words of that old minister named Bhamashah, the Maharana Pratap was also very pleased and he also felt very much satisfied. Sah tad bahudhanam samprapya sainya shakti sangrah karyam prarabhe. After receiving that money, that wealth, okay, on those era no any currencies and coins were also, but gold coins, silver coins, that type of coins were also regulating in our country. This country was very affluent, not like this, not like present time. Okay, but okay. So when he also got the wealth, then he also started consolidating also for their soldiers. Okay, tadanim anyo api vittam praptam. Then other people also gave some money. Okay, wealth. Tat sarvam upayujya samahasanyam rachyamasa. After getting all that wealth, he again started to consolidate very much soldiers. Okay, mahasanyam, very much soldier, very much armies. Okay, for battlefield, for fighting with Akbar. Maharana Pratapah स्वजन्म स्थानम एव परित्यज्य गतवान इति तस्य शत्रुः परिहसन्ति स्म. His enemy were also laughing on Maharana Pratap. Okay, because he had left the battlefield. Okay, so enemies means the Mughals were also laughing on him. Ita param punah sa yuddham agaccheti iti swapne api tena chintayanti asma. Means they were not thinking that he will again reunite his soldiers and he can come also again. Okay, they were not in the dream also. in the sleeping situation also they were not thinking like this. But किन्तु महाराणा प्रतापः तेषां निरीक्षां मिथ्या कृत्वा पराक्रान्तां स्वकीय राज्यसीमाम् असीम पराक्रमेण स्वाधीनां कर्तुम् अभ्युपतत्. But Maharana Pratap again he fought bravely and all his kingdoms also he acquired with his own enemies. हस्तच्युतान् राज्यस्य भूप्रदेशान् एकैकम् विक्रमेण जित्वा वैरिहृदयभीतिम् उत्पादयामास. One by one he also won his all the territories and kingdoms with his own enemies, and then he also created a scare in the heart of his enemies. Okay, so एतावती काले महतीं कष्टपरम्पराम् अनुभूय जर्जरितः तस्य देहः ततः परम् अपि महान्तं श्रमम् अनुभवितुं न समर्थः आसीत्. Means after struggling very much, so much years, Maharana Pratap was also, he got very much disease and his body was also weak because of fighting so much. Okay, so he was feeling some ill, okay, uncomfortable. विजयमालासु एकैकशः तस्य ग्रीवायां विराजमानासु चित्तौड़ विजयमाला कंठम ना अलंचकार इति तस्य अतृप्तिरासीत्. Means all the victory he also received, but only on the Chittauड़ he didn't acquired his own victory. Okay, he on the Chittauड़ he didn't conclude in his own life. Okay, and the Vijayamala, the garland of the victory, he didn't receive in his own throat. So he was little bit unsatisfied also. Although he won very much territories, he won a lot of kingdoms, but only Chittauड़ Vijayamala he didn't receive. So he was little bit unsatisfied also. But Mewadasya Raja asit. But he was he concluded the Mewad and he was the king of the Mewad. किंतु देह परित्याग काले आत्मना प्रशिक्षितान् यूनः दृष्ट्वा तैः चित्तौड़ प्राप्तो प्रदत्ते आश्वासने जात विश्वासः निश्चितः बभूव. But when he was also dying, he was also going to heaven. Okay, on that time, all the trained people, trained soldiers, trained by Maharana Pratap only, they also consoled him that don't worry, if you are dying, okay, don't worry, we are here and we will conquer our territories. Okay, and we will get the Chittauड़. यदा महाराणा प्रतापः षट्पञ्चाशत् वर्षदेशीयः तदा चावण्ड प्रान्ते मृगया व्रणितः सप्तनवत्युत्तर पंचदशशततमे वर्षे प्रथमे मासे नवविंशतितमे दिने प्राणान् अत्यजत्. When Maharana Pratap was in the 56 year old, he was on that time, he was in the hunting, he was in the hunting practice. He also got wounded. Okay, he was injured also, and on 29 January 1597 he also died. He also went to heaven. तद अनंतरम अस्य पुत्र अमरसिंह राणा प्रतापस्य मनोकामनां पूरयामास. Then his own son named Amarasingh, he also fulfilled, he also accomplished the wishing of his own father Maharana Pratap. महाराणा प्रताप सिंहस्य देशभक्ति तथा स्वातंत्र्य समरे योगदानं सदा स्मरणीयं. Means the contribution of the Maharana Pratap will always be memorable because he gave his own life also, his whole luxury he also gave up in his own time for we people. Okay, तस्य आत्मीय अश्वचेतको अपि स्फूर्तिदायक. His own horse was also very loyal. Okay, स्फूर्तिदायक means very active he was. अतः भारत गणराज्येन अस्य स्मृतौ मुद्रा नाणकम् अपि प्रकाशितम्. So by the Indian government after the independence, Indian government also issued a currency, नाणकम् स्मृतौ मुद्रा, yes, a currency on the name of the Chetak. वीराधिवीरस्य महाराणा प्रताप सिंहस्य एव आरूढ़ चेतक विग्रह संसदीय भवनस्य पुरतः संस्थापित. And a statue where the Chetak, okay, the Maharana Pratap is also riding on the Chetak, and that type of statue also situated in front of our parliament. Okay, in front of parliament. Etadrisha deshabhaktaः pura bharate asan adyapi vartante. Means in old age that type of loyal and patriot Indian freedom fighters were also existing, and even today they are also existing here, but we have to search them. Okay, that type of kshatriya, that type of warriors also live in every age. Okay, अतः वयमपि एतादृशानां चरितं पठित्वा देशभक्ताः भवेम. So we have to read this chapter, we must read this chapter, and we should also take inspiration with them. Okay, how much emotion they were having on those era. Okay, and we must be patriot, we must be loyal for our country. Okay, so this I hope this lesson is this lesson I have given very nicely, I have interpreted. If any other place, if any on any place, on any term or any definitions, okay, or hard words you are getting here, you can also comment. Okay, I will try to clearing our doubts as possible. Okay, so okay, see you.